in the Cricut Design Space software, I'm going to click on New Project. I am going to go to Upload from my images, and I know that I already have this avocado design in here, so I'm going to click on it and hit Insert, and it's going to bring it in with right at the size that I need it. There's my design right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on Make It. I have to trick the Cricut a little bit here because I'm not going to use the smart vinyl, but I also want it to extend further to make a longer cut. So I'm going to hit without a mat. So I'm going to hit Continue, and now it's only going to give me a smart vinyl selection. So what I did is I changed the smart vinyl, and you can change any one of them. Just click on All Materials, go to Settings, and then click on any of the smart vinyls. Okay, so I'm going to go, let's say, to smart vinyl. I'm going to go to Smart Label Writable Vinyl, and I'm going to change that 350 for my cut pressure and just off for multi-cut. Hit Save. Smart Label Writable Vinyl. That's it right there. Good with that. And now I just need to find that on here. I'm going to star that so it's one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and close. There it is right there. And now I know I have my pressure of 350.